Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure Grafana Enterprise Server 12.0 on Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay, open the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Then click on Docs, then click on Grafana, then select Setup, then install Grafana, then select RHL or Fedora. See here we have two options: install Grafana from the RPM repository or install the Grafana by using RPM package manually. Okay, I am going to install by using this RPM repository. And also see here the versions and Grafana Enterprise Beta, Grafana OSS and Grafana OSS Beta. Okay, so these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the Grafana. Open terminal. So copy these commands one by one. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now import GPG key, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to create this repo file. Then we have to add this content. So copy this file with the path, copy it, sudo, use the text editor that you are familiar with. VA, you can use Nano or others. Okay, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this content or just click on this copy button, both are same. Right click, paste it, escape, colon, double Q, exclamation, hit enter. Now we have to install the Grafana. See here, if you want to install OSS version, we have to run this command. If you want to install Enterprise Edition, we have to run this one. I am going to install Grafana Enterprise Edition. So run the command sudo dnf install Grafana hyphen enterprise. Hit enter. See, now it is installing Grafana Enterprise Edition 12.0.2. Okay, and this is the total download size, that is 174 megabytes. Okay, if you want to download and install, type Y. If you don't want, type N. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Grafana Enterprise Server. Now verify the status of the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl status Grafana hyphen server. Hit enter. See, we have installed Grafana, but it is not started. Okay, we have to start it, but before starting, we have to reload this daemon by running this command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start the Grafana server. Sudo systemctl start Grafana hyphen server. If you don't give hyphen server, it won't work. Now we have to enable it. It is done. Now verify the status of the Grafana service. See, we have started Grafana service and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to Grafana or sign into Grafana. Go to here, then click on sign into Grafana. See, this is the URL. Here it has given localhost. You can give the host name or IP of the machine where Grafana is installed. So first we will go with localhost, then we will connect by using host name or loopback IP. Okay, paste it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Port number is 3000. See, you got the login page. The default username and password for the Grafana is, see here, admin. Okay, both are same. So give admin, password also same, admin. Then click on login. Not now. See, now it is asking update your password. It is not mandatory, but you can skip. Okay, so I suggest you to update the password. Continuing to use default password exposes you to security risks. That's why we have to update the password. So provide the password. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Then click on submit. See, successfully updated. See, you got the Grafana. And also see here we have the bookmark, start, dashboards, explore, drill down. This is a new feature, alerting, connections, administration. You go to drill down, see here we have these options. Okay. And if you want to change the password of the currently logged in user, click on this admin and select the change password. Okay. And if you want to verify the version of Grafana, click on this question mark. See, you have connected to Grafana 12.0.2. Okay. Now go to administration, users and access. Users, if you want to change the password again, you have to click on this user. Then if you click on edit. Okay, I am not going to change. Go to users. If you want to create new user, click on new user. Then you have to fill all these details. Okay. Now go to connections. Then see, these are the list of the available data sources. Now I am going to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL as their data sources, because I have installed both. If you want to install, then search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL and PostgreSQL and Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay. Search for PostgreSQL. See, it is installed. Click on it. Now click on add new data source. This is the connection name. Okay. Now go to connection. Here PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so give localhost. If it is installed on some other, then you have to give the IP or host name of the machine. Then default port is 5432. Username is Postgres. Provide the username, whatever is there on this host. Okay. Provide the password. Then click on save and test. Now this is failed because SSL, I know that. Go to details. See here SSL is not enabled on the server. So go to here, select disable. Then we will be able to connect. Click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. Now go to data sources. See, we have the one data source. Okay. Now if you want to connect MySQL, again click on add new data source. Then search for MySQL. Select it. Provide the name. Name can be anything, just it is the name for reference. And connection. So we have installed MySQL on this one. So give localhost. Default port is 3306 for the MySQL. I have database bank. Then user root. Then provide the password of this root account. Not only root, whatever is there, whatever the user is there in this MySQL, that we have to create. Then come down. Then click on save and test. Not now. See, database connection is success. Okay. Okay. We have successfully set. Now go to data sources again. See here we have two data sources. Now we can create the dashboards by just clicking on build a dashboard. Now we'll see what will happen if you stop the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl stop Grafana -server. Put the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, to connect to Grafana server must be up and running. So start it again. See, Grafana services started 2 seconds ago. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. You can also connect by using loopback IP. 127.0.0.1 port number 3000. Hit enter. See, you got the same login console. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana Enterprise 12.0 on Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.